Good morning, all. Happy Saturday. It's coffee making time. And then this week I thought, I'm going to try making my own breakfast bars. So I had some pumpkin puree left from when I made our dog's dog food, because I do make crock pot meals for my dogs. And so I had a cup of pumpkin puree left. I used some oatmeal, egg, vanilla, baking powder, some chocolate chips, the pumpkin puree, and real maple syrup. And I baked these, and yeah, they're good, especially with coffee. And these, yeah, no, you can't have that, buddy. No, not for you. Yeah, look at these guys. They're waiting for their breakfast too. They know, don't you? You know, where's your meal? Where's your meal, huh? Anyway, good morning. I'm so happy it's the weekend. Oh, you coming out with me, Daisy? Here we go. There, she's happy. She got to eat. She's got full belly now. So, some things we're going to change here real soon. Look at this broccoli. We never cut it down. But look at those pretty flowers. Nice. My rose bush is coming back great. And we're going to move this terracotta pot over kind of on the other side. Is there some hope for my raspberry bush? I think there is. But yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll cut this down. We'll remove that one too. My strawberries are doing okay. I had another one hanging here, but let me tell you what. I had the pot sitting in my yard, and the dogs were playing, and somehow the handle on the other pot broke. So we need to fix that one, or repot it. And then we've been working over here. We're trying to clear this out. We got one bed removed, another bed removed. We're gonna move this bed here to over there. So I'm trying to get all the soil out right now and using it in different things. And we're gonna focus too on some more containers gardening this year. We're gonna keep this one up here and just put lots and lots of flowers to attract pollinators. Look at how I planted hollyhocks last year and they didn't grow right because of the direction of the sun. We're not getting much sunlight, but now look at, they're starting to come up and the sunlight's kind of starting to come over here. Okay, so over here we got our windmill finally placed where I want it. We placed a very large pot under here where there's an herb and a mum, and then I planted 2 of my peas. And then we started some more peas last night in a container or little thing of water, so that way we can plant them in the back here and then trellis upward. I'm gonna just place some flowers in here, and then in this one I think I might put some eggplant in here, and then I'm gonna move that 6-foot raised bed to over here. And then I'm probably gonna plant my other zucchini plant over here because that's where the last one was and it did very, very well. Here's the other zucchini plant here that we planted yesterday. And then back there, I discovered I had a sunflower and some milkweed. So that was a pretty cool surprise. My chocolate mint came back real well, although it used to be the whole entire bed was covered, and then last summer it just kind of wiped it all out. We're gonna put some more some fresh soil back here, and I'm not sure, we got some squash, so we might plant our squash in here. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more fresh soil in here. I planted a bunch of lettuce which you can see is coming up, and then, oh golly, I have to like go and let me see if I can remember what it is quick. It's beets, guys, beets. So all these right here are beets. And then I did have one pea decide to make it over here, but yeah, all this is lettuce. I did plant spinach, I think it was. There was something else over here, but it did not come up. So, and then I decided to plant my yellow rose bush over here, which really has done well in this spot. And then over here, before our little freeze happened, I did have 2 rows of beans that were planted. Some of them started to pop up. I didn't protect the bed, and obviously nothing came up. I did plant a nasturtium over here, and over here some seed, and as you can see, that one did come up. So we're gonna get some more fresh soil over here and get this thing loaded with beans. And then here's kind of like, what are you showing me? So I removed a pot over here. We're gonna get rid of this, and then I'm gonna kind of build a raised little bed area over here, and then fill that up with soil, and then figure out what I'm gonna plant over here as well. So that's kind of the plan as of right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my coffee and my little homemade bar that I made for breakfast. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for watching.